Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's your life? I hope you are doing well. Okay guys, let me introduce myself. I am Widya from English Education Department Class K2, Raja Ali Haji University. This video to academic speaking course, lecture Muhammad Chandra. Today, I would like to explain to you about journal article. The title of journal is Student Learning Strategies for Developing Speaking Ability. The author of journal is Sofyan Agani, Dian Pajarina, Rizaldi Hanipa. I will explain to you 6 points of the journal. Introduction, review of literature, methodology, finding the data, discussion, and the last one, conclusion. Okay, let's discuss it. This study was done to study the learning strategies used by both low and high performance speaking students in developing their speaking skill, as well as differences between the learning strategies used by both group of learners. The reason for conducting this research was the fact that the competency of many students in speaking English was still considered unsatisfactory in Banda Aceh. The researchers postulated that one aspect improved in the process of developing speaking skill was the learning strategies used by the learners. This research study was conducted at High School Number 3 or SMA Negeri 3 in Banda Aceh. The subject of this study were the second year student at SMA Negeri 3 Banda Aceh who had either low or high speaking performance result. The reason why the researcher chose students from the second years because they had been learning English for a longer period of time and have several years of experience in the learning speaking. The students were from 4 classes, namely 11 IA 5, 11 IA 6, 11 IS 1, and 11 IS 2. The focus of the study was on 16 students selected from all 4 classes, 4 students from each class. The selection was done according to the information from their teacher that the students selected had given either high or low speaking performance. It was based on the students' speaking achievement, not by their teacher, during the teaching or learning process. The students were considered a high performer according to certain indicators. They easily master new content being talked about. Then they spoke smoothly. This meant that they did not have many or word repetition. They not only used good grammar but also had good pronunciation and intonation. Furthermore, they used good speaking skills such as voice projection, vocal variety, expression, eye contact, and appropriate body language gesture. Contrariwise, the low performers were hesitant to speak due to the fact that they had not mastered the ability to speak well. They made much use of word repetition. They also had problem with speaking accuracy, use inappropriate pronunciation, intonation, and also often incorrect grammar. These were the indicator characteristic of the low speaking performance student. In this study, the data was collected through field research by means of document, questionnaire, and interview. In order to familiarize themselves with English and to make their fluency better, high and low performance students employ certain strategies. High performance students cite that they spoke to people, including their classmates and native speakers. They try to use English language in their daily life. That was why they try to initiate conversation by firstly starting to speak in English. The researchers also found that some of them even practice by talking to themselves to have the opportunity to use English. They choose to stay in contact with English culture by watching, listening, and reading things in English. To try to feel comfortable when using English was one of the strategies used. Conversely, low performance students tended to memorize sentences and try to repeat the sentence frequently. By doing those things over and over, they could become familiar and be able to speak more fluently. They also mentioned that they practice speaking with friends in English. The information from interviews showed that there are 53 kinds of speaking strategies implemented by the high speaking performance student, whilst the low speaking performance student only mentioned 29 strategies. The data also indicate that low performance students sometimes applied strategies that were not very effective for completing certain language tasks, such as enhancing pronunciation by reading a dictionary and improving fluency by memorizing sentences. On the other hand, high speaking performance students use a larger number of strategies appropriately so that they could accomplish various language tasks. The finding of the study correspond with that of Malay and Kamot 1990, who state that more effective or high-speaking performance students generally use a greater variety of strategies and use them in more ways to help them complete language tasks more successfully. Conversely, a less effective or low speaking performance student not only have fewer strategies but also frequently use strategies that are inappropriate to the task at hand and which does not lead to successful tasks completion. In brief, the use of appropriate language learning strategies gave a greater contribution for the development of competency in speaking. In conclusion, the result of this study indicate that high performance speaking students had better balance in using all kinds of learning strategies, memory, cognitive, compensatory, metacognitive, affective, and social. For enhancing their speaking skill, the same could not be found with low performance speaking student. Besides, the high performance student apply more learning strategies consistently and appropriately compared to the low performance student. Based on the research result, it is suggested that students should be trained to be more aware of their own speaking learning strategies. They should use appropriate language learning strategies more consciously, purposefully, and frequently to be more successful in developing their speaking skill. Okay guys, I think that's enough. If you have any question, please feel free to interrupt. That's all the time I have for today. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you the next video.